Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collapse column in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheet. Then select the columns you want to group. To do this, click and drag over their letters at the top of your spreadsheet. Once the columns are selected, right-click anywhere within the highlighted area. From the context menu, choose View More Actions and then look for and click on Group Columns. This will group the selected columns together. After grouping, you will notice a minus sign appear at the top of the grouped column. Click on it to collapse the column. This hides the content of those columns while keeping the data intact. If you want to expand the columns again, simply click on the plus sign that appears where the minus sign was. This will reveal the grouped column. To ungroup the columns entirely, right-click on the group columns. Again, from the menu, select Ungroup Columns and the grouping will be removed. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.